Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about the switch function in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, you need to click on an empty cell. Next, try to type the switch function. These are the variables that we need to fill up when using the switch function. For an expression or a cell that we need to compare a value to, we need to place it on the first term. After that, we need to place the value that we will compare from our expression. And third, we will put the result of the specific value that we previously just entered. And we can do it in repetition until we satisfy all the values. So first, go ahead and click on apples. Next, we will be typing the term apples. By using a comma to separate, we will now head towards the results, which will be fruit. Next, we have to place the second value, which is keyboard. After that, we will indicate that the keyboard is a tech. And lastly, for the remaining two, the spoon and jacket, let's just put a default value for now. Let's place miscellaneous or misc. And once we close out the equation and press enter, we should get fruit in the type column. Now, by dragging down the same command for the whole table, we would get the set of results. And there we have it. This is how we use the switch function in Microsoft Excel.